Could this be the end of Hamster Kombat? Or is it the dawn of an exciting new era? Dive in with us as we unravel the mystery behind the latest game-changing update, explore the thrilling new creators level, and decode the hidden messages that have the entire community buzzing. Don't miss out on what could be the most pivotal moment in Hamster Kombat history. To address any concerns head-on, let's discuss whether Hamster Kombat is a scam. The simple and emphatic answer is that we have nothing at the moment to prove that Hamster Kombat is a scam. This game is backed by a highly dedicated and intelligent team of developers and strategists who are deeply committed to its success and growth. Before rolling out this latest update, the team had already laid significant groundwork. Pavel Durov, the CEO of Telegram Messenger, and a respected figure in the tech world, made an official post on his Telegram channel, which speaks volumes about the credibility and potential of Hamster Kombat. In his post, Durov highlighted the game's rapid rise to fame, noting how it has captivated millions of users in just a few months. This kind of endorsement from a prominent tech leader not only validates the game's legitimacy but also underscores the strategic planning and foresight of the Hamster Kombat team. Their ability to secure such high-profile support demonstrates their serious approach and long-term vision for the game. He also mentioned that the Hamster Kombat team will soon mint their token on the TON blockchain, bringing the benefits of blockchain technology to hundreds of millions of users. So, why is this important? The collaboration between the Hamster Kombat team and Pavel Durov, the CEO of Telegram, is a strategic move designed to build trust and transparency within the community. The introduction of the creators level is a significant update, and the team anticipated that such a major development might raise concerns or doubts among players and investors. By securing an endorsement from a reputable figure like Durov, they aim to provide a strong reassurance about the game's legitimacy and promising future. Aligning with the CEO of Telegram and making a public announcement serves multiple purposes. First, it leverages Durov's credibility and the trust that millions of Telegram users have in him. His endorsement acts as a stamp of approval, indicating that Hamster Kombat is not just another fleeting trend but a serious project with substantial backing. Secondly, the announcement strategically addresses potential skepticism. Major updates or changes in a game can sometimes lead to uncertainty, especially if the game's community is not fully informed. By proactively communicating through a trusted platform and figure, the Hamster Kombat team preemptively mitigates any negative reactions. They assure players that every move is carefully planned and that the game's trajectory is towards growth and innovation. Furthermore, this move highlights the team's foresight and planning. They understand the importance of maintaining a positive relationship with their player base. By being transparent and involving well-known industry figures, they not only build confidence but also create a sense of excitement and anticipation for what's to come. In summary, this announcement is a calculated step to fortify the game's reputation, alleviate any concerns about new developments, and solidify the community's faith in Hamster Kombat's potential. It's a clear message that the game is here to stay and is backed by significant industry support. Now, let's dive into the exciting new update that has everyone talking. The recent announcement on Hamster Kombat's official Telegram channel introduced a new level called the Creator. This isn't just any ordinary level. It's referred to as the last leg, which is a significant milestone in the game's progression. The challenge is set at a staggering 18 billion coins, making it one of the most ambitious and rewarding levels in the game. What makes this update particularly intriguing is the cryptic message included in the announcement. The Hamster Kombat team asked players to follow the leaderboard closely and see if they recognize any numbers. This has sparked a lot of speculation and excitement among players, as it suggests there might be hidden clues or coded messages within the leaderboard data. The creators level is not just a new stage in the game, it represents a culmination of efforts and achievements for dedicated players. Reaching this level requires significant skill and dedication, and the high coin requirement underscores its importance. Players are now eagerly analyzing the leaderboard, looking for patterns or familiar numbers that could hint at future developments or rewards. This clever use of a cryptic message serves multiple purposes. It engages the community, encouraging players to interact more deeply with the game and with each other. By turning the leaderboard into a potential treasure hunt, the developers have added an extra layer of excitement and mystery to the game. It also builds anticipation, as players are now eagerly speculating about what these numbers could mean and what rewards might await them. Furthermore, this move shows the developers' commitment to creating a dynamic and engaging game experience. By continuously adding new content and innovative elements like hidden messages, they keep the game fresh and exciting. It also reassures players that the team is actively working on enhancing the game and providing new challenges. In summary, the introduction of the Creators level is a game-changing update that not only offers a new challenge but also engages players in a deeper and more interactive way. The cryptic message about the leaderboard adds a layer of intrigue, making the game even more compelling. As players decode these hints, they become part of a larger narrative, enhancing their overall gaming experience. As we wrap up, it's clear that Hamster Kombat is more than just a game. It's a dynamic and evolving experience that continues to captivate millions. The introduction of the Creators level and the cryptic hints on the leaderboard have added a thrilling new dimension, promising exciting times ahead. Whether you're a seasoned player or new to the game, there's never been a better moment to dive in and explore. Stay tuned for more updates, keep an eye on those leaderboards, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. If you have any theories or spot any hidden clues, share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with all things Hamster Kombat. Until next time, keep playing, keep discovering, and keep being awesome.